I just got a package from Cider, and I'm about to open it and show y'all what I got. So this is the first thing I got. I got some socks. They sent me over some items that I picked out. And so I got this like cheetah silk skirt. I ordered this in, this is an extra large, and this is it here. It's looking a little small, like it's gonna be a little tight. But this is the skirt. It's like a midi skirt, like a knee skirt, and it's cheetah. Cheetah girls, cheetah sisters. Ooh. And it comes in these cute little bags with the Cider logo on it, period. Ooh, it says brewing style, 99%. They classy. Vest with a smiley face on it. Y'all, this is thick. Do y'all see the quality? I ordered this in an extra large. It's gonna be a little bit oversized on me, but it has the smiley face on the front, and then it has one on the back too. I got a lot of little stuff in here, but I don't want to show y'all the big stuff until later. So I got another skirt, same type of bag. You probably can see the name on this one better, in the brewing style, period. This is another midi skirt that I ordered in an extra large. So far my review about the sizing is that it doesn't seem like it's really size inclusive, because this is an extra large and it's probably gonna be tight on me. I'm 5'10", 170. This is another like silk midi skirt. Ooh, it's the light for me. Ooh, and it has this at the bottom. I hope I can fit my stomach in here. Next piece we have, I ordered this in an extra large too. Ooh, it's a dinosaur sweater. This feels so good. Y'all, I'm impressed. Let me find out. Next, I have another like a cable knit sweater. This thing right here is thick. Like if you want to go to the North Pole and be warm, you're gonna buy this right here. And it has a heart cut out right here on the chest. Do y'all see that? Hold on, let me put my hand through here. Look at that. You can see that. You're gonna be able to see the skin where the heartbeat is, y'all. I ordered this in an extra large. I'm so glad I sized up, because if I would have got these clothes too small, I would have been crying, because this is some nice stuff. I'm excited about this stuff over here. So this is like a hoodie jacket. Ooh, this feels so good, like a real good blanket out of Walmart. This is this. Matter of fact, not even Walmart. This is Home Goods. And this is an extra large too. Let's try it on. Ooh! Look at the inside, y'all. Stop playing with them. I'm in a P. Diddy video. Okay, the sleeves ain't too bad. She not. And it has pockets. This is not. Do y'all see this? And it has a hood. Hold on. Who is she? Y'all, it is so soft and so warm. Oh my gosh. Let me zip her back up, because y'all, this green is breathtaking. Green is my favorite color. This green is breathtaking. Like, I don't even think my camera doing this green any justice. Ooh, I told me my hair was messed up. So I have one more coat to go. I saw this and I just knew I just had to have it. This is a fur heart jacket. Oh my God! It looks so cute on camera, y'all. Look at this. Y'all, the Chick-fil-A cow ain't got nothing on this right here. Look at this. I ordered this in an extra large. Let's unzip her and see what she's talking about on the inside. Okay, so the inside isn't like the silky like the other. This is like fleece. So it's gonna keep you warm. Let's try her on and see how she feeling. Let's see if she's gonna pass the North Pole test. Ooh! But the inside of the sleeves are like that. That's, yes. Oh, y'all, and the sleeves long enough for me. Y'all. Oh my God. So this is like oversized, but it is so cute. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm speechless. I love it. This is my review of what I got from Shop Cider. Y'all gonna have to order with them. I give this stuff that I got, I give it a 10 out of 10. Oh, y'all, it has the string on it so you can snatch it in. I'm in love. I am in love. Thank y'all for watching this video. This is my review of Shop Cider. Thank you, shopcider.com, for sending me these items. I'm probably gonna order some more stuff from them. So thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one.